feeling kinda low? Oh no, so slow, can't find the energy to go. It's important to help others when they're sad. If you don't look after yourself, things can go bad. But have no fear, cause I am here, dropping down the beats when you all give it cheer. It won't be long, we'll feel that tummy. It's gonna get you going and it's gonna be yummy. So what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do? We're gonna make a juice for you. Gonna make a juice for you. What we're gonna do? What we're gonna do? We're gonna make a juice for you. Let's start with an orange, it's good you see, for some vitamin A and vitamin C. Now add some pineapple into the mix, it will give your bromelain face. Add strawberry, they're always great. Long now, hang in there mate. This will give nutrition, adding them is an easy decision. Now let's finish it off with a bang, with passion fruit and its awesome tang. It will give you the fiber you need to be the best that you can be. So what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do? We're gonna make a juice for you. Gonna make a juice for you. What we're gonna do? What we're gonna do? We're gonna make a juice for you. Okay, Phoenix, pick up the pace. Get that juice in your face. Once all in, it's time to blend. Let's fill your tank from end to end. Here we go. Let's count it in. 1, 2, 3, let the fun begin. Move. Mix. Make. Shake, 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 shake. Mix. Make. Shake, 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 shake. Move. Mix. Make. Shake, 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 shake. Move. Mix. Make. Shake, 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 shake. Now so Link, can you believe it was as easy as 1, 2, 3. We mix it all together. What a brew! Here you go, Phoenix. A juice for you. Gonna make a juice for you. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Gonna make a juice for you. Now tell me what you think. It's ready to drink.
Excuse me.